Look at my canopy. This is my canopy. Look at this. Nice, yeah. Okay, I have about 3,000 square meters of land. Part of my canopy. Here it is, guys. Can you see now, guys? So it's facing to the swimming pool, guys. So this is it, guys. If you can see. So, and then in that area, guys, by this poles, you know, it will be a thick grass, and then in this side that will be a concrete. So I don't know, I have a tiles left. I'm not sure of what I can do, guys. So look at this, guys. It's amazing, isn't it, guys? This is what happened in my house, guys. It's operating room. So if you work in the military or you work in the government, guys, this is what happened. It's nice, isn't it, guys? I am impressed, guys. You know, because this canopy, guys, I can give you some good view. The view in it, guys, is going to the swimming pool. Look at that, guys. Look. Hi, guys. This is what I'm doing in my garden, guys. I can build some canopy here. So that will be nice, guys, when it's finished, because the canopy is in here and that is the swimming pool over there, guys. So yeah, it's big, isn't it, guys? So when it's finished, I'll take a video, guys. So it's gonna be 4 pieces of poles, and that will be my canopy, guys. Because before, you know, that is my canopy with the thick grass and the tiles. But now it's changed, another one. I'll make it bigger, guys. So I hope so it's worth it, guys. So from that one, look at the chair, guys. I put it over there for this time of moment, because it's, the barbecue, guys, is over there. So if the canopy is in that side, the barbecue is in there, and then the swimming pool is in there. So that will be nice, guys, because look, you know, that will be nice. And thank you so much for watching, guys. So see what can happen, guys, next week when it's done. You know, for this time, guys, is the poles is gonna go to that. So it's a concrete, so we had to dig some of this. We need some machine to do it, you know. So thank you so much, guys. They want to go for swimming, guys. Look at that, guys. Very clear, isn't it, guys? Thank you, guys.